Hello everyone. Happy December 19th. Today we celebrate oatmeal muffins, look for an evergreen, and the joy of cozy traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Oatmeal Muffin Day. A hearty, wholesome treat. A great gift could be a muffin baking kit, a gourmet oat sampler, or a festive muffin tin. What's your favorite muffin flavor? Let's bake the comments. It's Look for an Evergreen Day. A festive tradition of finding holiday trees. A thoughtful gift could be a tree ornament set, a holiday wreath, or a pine-scented candle. Do you prefer real or artificial trees? Let's branch into the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 6 days away, and the countdown is evergreen with excitement. It's Holly Day, celebrating the festive plant of the season. A sweet gift could be a holly wreath, a holiday centerpiece, or a holly-patterned mug. Do you decorate with holly? Let's deck the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.